After collecting beautiful memories of Coronation Bridge, Triveni, and the majestic views all along, we finally reached Gangtok in the evening. Gangtok is the largest and busiest city of the state of Sikkim. But as Gangtok welcomed us with a light drizzle, comparatively empty roads were there. But as evening turned into night, the city's nightlife came alive. So our exploration of Gangtok's famous nightlife began. Gangtok is famous for Tibetan cuisine. So we first headed to the famous restaurant Taste of Tibet. It is located on the heart of MG Marg. Taste of Tibet is a cozy resto pub with a few wooden tables placed in it. Luckily, we were in there at early evening, a bit earlier than the rush hour. The menu offers a lot of authentic Tibetan dishes, many of which was not much familiar to us. Finally, we settled for beef shuffle, chicken spring roll and chicken yamin. Of course, we had ordered the famous Hit beer. This Sikkimese brand is owned by none other famous Bollywood actor Danny Denzongpa. We are here at Taste of Tibet. It's very famous for the authentic Tibetan cuisines. And we have ordered. This is the Sikkimese beer, and we are accompanying it beef shuffle. This is we have yamin. This is chicken yamin. This is shuffle. It's just wonderful that we are actually a kind of pastry, meat stuffed inside, and the outer part is crispy. It's quite well known nowadays, even beyond Sikkim. It's beautiful. Shuffle is a stuffed patties like this, while yamin is a mixture of noodles and minced meat cooked in Tibetan sauces. This is spring roll, one of the popular dishes here in Taste of Tibet. To accompany with this is mooli dipped in sauces. So it's a must try when you are here. After a hearty meal, it was time to take a stroll around in the MG Marg or the Gangtok Mall. And of course, the mandatory selfies with the famous Gandhi statue. Next stop was at another pub named Rasello. The pub is very popular with the localites and is known for karaoke nights. But COVID-19 has prevented them from organizing karaoke. So it was a brief stop for us as we tasted its famous smoked pork. We had a wonderful time at the vibrant pub. The ambience and music of Rasello did make us want to stay more. But we decided to move on to accommodate another pub in the limited time we had. We headed to Mach Macha, a restaurant which is known for its array of kebabs and sausages. This restaurant is too on the MG Marg, exact opposite to the Taste of Tibet. A very decently decorated restaurant it turned out to be, and the music was quite electric. Our belly was already overloaded, so we tried only grilled chicken wings. After Mach Macha, we were done for the day. Gangtok closes early, and so did we. Next morning, we had plans to visit a nearby waterfall, so we wake up early, and this paid in the best way possible. As we opened the window of our room, we were stunned by the dreamy visual. In front of us was the snow-capped mighty Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak of the world. The rarity in the sight was that we could see both the rising sun and the setting moon over the Kanchenjunga. This sight will etched in our heart for lifetime. As clock moved fast, we were reminded that we had other plans for the day. Before we set out, we had to have our breakfast. Previous day was a whole day of Tibetan food for us, so we decided to change to non-English delicacies. We headed to another popular restaurant named OSM, again on MG Mark. This luxurious restaurant gives a majestic view of the mall through its broad glass wall. OSM also offers a wide range of breakfast and cocktails. They have actually curated a menu titled 50 Shades of Cocktail. We ordered Pina Colada, White Russian and Long Island tea. For food we had cheese chili toast and french fries. The toast just melted in the mouth, while the crispy french fries turned out to be the excellent combo with the cocktail. Pina Colada is a common vodka-based cocktail which have pineapple juice and coconut cream as key ingredients. It looks as well as tastes quite like a smoothie. It's served in a standard cooler glass. White Russian too is a vodka-based cocktail. It is made of coffee liquor and Baileys cream. It is served in an old-fashioned glass. Long Island tea comes in a tall Pilsner glass and has 4 to 5 types of liquor all struggling in one chamber. Those are vodka, triple sec, gin, tequila and white rum. All of the 3 cocktails were made and served perfectly in OSM. So we are here at Gangtok. This is a beautiful place. This is awesome. It's written as OSM, awesome. We have Mr. Anthony, who is the captain here.
Hi, very good afternoon. I'm from Awesome. It's a pleasure to meet you. And over here you will get a varieties of food, varieties of recognition, Indian, continental, Chinese and tandoor. So any Bengali people who is coming from West Bengal also, they can enjoy also the culinary arts of Awesome. And it's a great pleasure. You will get the non-veg platter, veg platter with the starter, and you can end up your meal with your brownie. That's a very good dessert and interesting one. So you can club up yourself, all the backpackers. You can come down to Sikkim, Gangtok, lovely in the Awesome, in the MG Mark, just beside the opposite to Indo-Sikkim or Agarwal Suite, and just beside the Gandhi statue. So just come and enjoy. Varieties of cocktails and mocktails you will enjoy. About 50 shades of cocktails, which you won't find over here. And the specialty ones comes the tandoori momo. And in the main course, you will get the chicken items with the North Indian flavors and dishes. Thank you. Have a lovely day ahead. Yeah, this is the pub of the Awesome, where you can spend your quality lifetime in the evening from 6 till 10:30. So you can enjoy some of the splendid live music with the local terms, with the local melodies, and with the Western culture. So you can enjoy some of the mocktails, which is in the bar, and also explore yourself in the meal. So that I have told you earlier, the meal and the main course menu are the same over here, and it's same organization, same concept. Only the ambience is different. Over here you will get some of the pub ambience, so you can dance, you can explore yourself, and make yourself comfortable as you wish.
Now it is time to visit Banjakri waterfall around 30 minutes drive from Gangtok. we have reached the gates of Banjakri Falls. This is actually a park also, which is the park has been developed around the waterfalls. This is the gate. It's welcoming you. You have to take this. This is also an energy park because there is a hydel project over there. Some amount of electricity is also produced from that place. You see, this is the Banjakri Falls. Banjakri Waterfalls is a natural waterfalls around which a park has been made. The park has been given a creepy look with a lots of statues straight out of Mayan civilization placed at every corner of the park. Those are actually statues of Zakri or local shamanic healers. You can see the stream coming out from the main waterfall. We'll now go up to the main base of the falls to have the ultimate thrill. So this is one of the cafes in the Banjakri, this park, Banjakri. It's a beautiful cafe, you can see. You're gonna have a sip of tea here, and right beside you, you will get this waterfalls going on. It's a nice ambience, beautiful ambience. It's a nice cafe. You can have a look around this beautiful forest. It's not exactly a forest, but the woods here amidst the mountain. So wonderful to have a sip of coffee around here, and then you can get some rest and then start your journey again towards the falls. There is some what we called nice little cabins. It's quite shabby, but you can have some private time over here with special ones. As well. Do give a stop when you visit this falls. Do give a stop over here. So you can see the Banjakri Falls right behind me. You can see that falls. It's a lovely fall. A lovely falls you can see. You can see there are a lot of adventure sports around. A lot of people are doing that. You can see I will be going closer to the falls, and I will touch the water. Let's see. I guess it will be chilling around there, because it's coming from the frozen mountains. The mountains are all frozen from where the water is coming. Okay, let's go. I think I should take this jacket off because I don't want my jacket to get wet. You also do the same when you are here. And I should also take off my shoes and socks. I don't want to be in a wet sock for a long time when I leave this place. Let's see. Here we are, the Banjakri waterfalls. This is the waterfall you can see. They are still frozen. These mountains are still frozen. So otherwise, during the rainy season, you can see It's a bigger stream, much larger stream, covering the entire this wall. You can see, and the ice is here. The water is here, ice cold. I'm just sitting here and enjoying this chill. There's a lot of sounds it's making, but it's wonderful. It's very close to the nature, very close to the waterfalls, you know. If it was during the summer, I would have liked to go into the water and have a few dips. A lot of people do that. Maybe we'll be back sometimes during the summer. We will take a dip around. By the time the water volume is much less at this moment during these winter years, and the water is very, very cold. It's beyond tolerable. You can get pneumonia, but it's still my legs are getting freezed. That is still manageable. It's a lot of fun. Do visit. This is just a few kilometers away from the Gangtok city. Do visit this waterfall park. There's a park around here you have seen. It's a wonderful place to be here. So let's see what's happening down the stream. I think a guy is fishing there out there with a fishing stick. Let's see what catches he have got, what kind of fishes he is getting from here. Come. You can see this is the guy. This guy is kind of catching fishes. I don't know what the stream is, so the water is so fast, the current is so fast. I don't know what kind of fish one may be getting here. Let's go and find out. Hello. We got full. This is a statue. This too is man-made. I know, a man is also man-made. This is made with. We got fooled very badly. Banjakri may not be the largest or biggest waterfall of Sikkim, but its beauty is no less. The place has become a hub for a number of adventure sports. A fast-flowing water stream below and walking on rope above it that needs some guts.